This is a Manhattan-bound N train via the Q line. The next stop is Atlantic Avenue, Barclays Center.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is Atlantic Avenue, Barclays Center.
Attention everyone, there are over 150 accessible subway stations. Please check mta.info/elevators for real-time elevator status at your station.
Transfer is available to the 2, 3, 4, 5, B, D, Q, and R trains. Connection is available to the Long Island Railroad.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform.
This is a Coney Island-bound N train via the Q line. The next stop is 7th Avenue.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is 7th Avenue.
Hello, everyone. The MTA is hiring. We're looking to hire talented individuals as bus operators, skilled tradespeople, and for positions in legal, labor, occupational health, and engineering technology fields. For more information on openings, events, to set up job alerts, visit careers.mta.org. Join the team that moves millions and apply to work for the MTA today.